how to add flip clock screensaver on your Android phone. So go ahead into your Play Store and search for flip clock timer and widget. If you go ahead and search for a flip clock specifically, this should be the one that appears, the most popular one, and it should be downloading very quickly since it is just a 10 MB app. If it asks you, you can go ahead and allow the permissions. You have a timer and a stopwatch, but what you're gonna mainly focus on is the clock itself, of course. Before anything, you could customize it. You can change the font or theme, but you can go ahead and swipe up and enter the settings. If you like, you can set the flip clock as a wallpaper on your lock screen. You could do more of these tools over here, but it's probably a bit difficult to find the settings over here since you are probably used to the one here. But anyways, go ahead and make sure this is toggled on. Go ahead into the settings and go ahead into general and toggle this, which is the keep screen on. So this will prevent the screen from going to sleep or locking. So what that means, you can just leave the app like this and your phone won't turn off, and it will probably just stick or act as a flip clock or just a digital clock. You can turn off or toggle off your lock orientation so that you can toggle it as a landscape mode like so. Just go ahead and press on the screen, and that's pretty much it. So hopefully this video can help you. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.